Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix the ear headphone. So this is the one that is one of them is not working. Let's go ahead and check it, whichever is not working, and we have to repair it. So let's go ahead, start it. Yeah, just pull this cover. And this too. Oh, well, this is already broken. You can tell, see? Let's go ahead and check this too. Yeah, this is alright. This is alright. Yeah, as you see, this one is broken. Okay, what we're gonna use, this is the hot iron we're gonna use for the soldering, and this is a small piece of the solder, electronic solder, and this is the paste. Before you solder, you just put on top of this cable. Yeah, with the brush, of course, you need the one brush. And yeah, let's start it. I mean, slowly and surely we're gonna do this. Okay guys, what else? As you see, this is the one. We're gonna just solder one cable here, one cable here. So after that, everything is gonna be alright. So yeah, as I said guys, you have to solder this cable. One of them goes here, one of them goes here, and after that it will start to work. So thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Hopefully you like the video, and so bye bye.